Hey, here we are again. Episode 700, 943, or something like that. And you have found yourself at the Minimax 1030R build. I am still working on cable management. Let's see what we got here. I adjusted these wires right here. So I think this is where they're going to come out to go on my shoulder harness. My shoulders come up to about right here. So they're going to come through here. You can see they're not quite touching there. Looks like it is touching there. I moved them on top of these boards here because they're barely touching that way. And of course they're touching underneath there. Then they go into these U hooks that I put on last episode. You can see them, they're working out great. Comes through here, wraps around there. So these are static lines. These aren't going to be moving really. The harness is going to go through a little slot right here and hook to the wire right inside of here. So it's going to be static. So I can kind of tie these off in place. I was trying to figure out what to do, so I come up with this. I'm going to use these. I'm going to use these in a few places. Put them in, run the cable through them just to hold them in place so they're not slapping around and all that. Hope y'all had a great day today. I didn't get a chance to hang out with y'all today because I got a boss that makes me work all the time. So I'm going to drill some holes in here to put these here. Drill it right above it. 3/4 inch. Alright. One of these in there. Super tight and snug. I'll cut the ends off later. The same thing back here, right on top of little piece of RS, I think it's RS6. Right above it. Let me see. Wires and cables all over the place. You look inside of many airplanes, that's what they got inside of them. Imagine them all bouncing all around all the time, but that's what we're trying to do here. Remember, on any kind of mechanical device, movement equals friction equals wear and tear. So you always want to keep that down as much as possible. run these through there and see what happens. Looks good. I like that. Alright, so I am hitting right here still. Now, which will eventually cause wear, so what I'm going to do right there is put like a piece of rubber or something on this piece of wood. Let's see what I got. Okay. Got a little piece of 3/4 heater hose that's been laying around and smashed flat. I think it's going to be perfect. Let me see here. Fits on there perfect. Just need to put something in it to make sure it stays. I want to glue it. Tape it. I'm gonna put an itty bitty screw. Itty bitty. Start a bit. My son's asked me if I wanted some tools for Christmas. Yeah. Guy don't want tools. He said, "What kind?" I said, "All of them." You know. Let's see if I can go drill right here. That's all she wrote there. Worked out good. Alright, I'm real happy with that. Now I got some springs. Finally found some, I think some right size springs at the hardware store for the brake pedal. And these are really similar to what you put on your back door, pretty much. I had some smaller springs I got, but they were too small. They gotta keep this pedal in tension all the time. Not a lot, but a little bit. I gotta take the rotor pedal simply out and take these wires off and put the little ends on the wires and mark them. They're both about the same length. Alright, so I run one cable. I had this one marked. I did take the cable back off. And I'm going to run it back through the eye here. Better. All right. Let's see if I can find my center mark. Got this little keeper right here that we're going to squeeze on there. I forget what they call them. It did come with the kit. Look like they're the right size. Compression rocks. So I want to get right to the middle at some point. I'm not going to crimp them yet. I got to put this little bad boy in there, make it a little easier on myself. I think this would have been easier to do with the pedal off. It really does fit through the hole. It's 3/16 hole I put in here, which is what it calls for. Alright. Let me show that to you. Yeah, so I'm gonna have something like that. See, I got the other side, just gotta crimp it. Got the other cables run. So I'm gonna run these cables back through. It's the rudder cable and the tail wheel cable. And I'm gonna have that portion of the job done. Ah! Get out of there. Mess up again. Just come through here. A little short. Okay. Good cable management. Let me see. You know, it's touching right here. I don't think it's tight yet. Let me see. It'll be okay once it tightens up. Not touching anywhere. Looking good. I am touching right here. Little spot. I'm gonna have to take the Dremel to that. So this is a picture of the inverter cables going back, just going up over top the seat. You see, of course it's not snug right now, but still it's gonna burn the seat a little bit. I might just grind a little channel into the seat for that. I made my seat about an inch higher than normal. I'm 6 foot tall, so that affected a lot of stuff when I did that. But still, I need it. These cables are looking good. If you can see in there, the harness cable's on top, elevator cable in the middle, rudder and tail wheel cable on each side. But here's the spot, if you can see it, it's touching right here. It's the only spot I see touching. So I'm just going to take the Dremel and get that. I will get that while y'all are eating supper or something. Don't worry about that. Hope y'all had a great day today. Guess what? It was another beautiful day here in Southeast Virginia. Like I said, when your heart's right, the sunshine follows you around. It's funny how that is. Even a little bit of rain doesn't dampen the parade. We got holidays coming up. We got Christmas and stuff. There's so many opportunities out there to show whose side you're on. Are you on the side of light and good, or are you on the side of darkness? Because it doesn't take much to tell. Hope y'all have a blessed day and evening. Take care.